NVIDIA is the only stock I've ever 10x'd on. Let that sink in. In a market where most trades are noise, and most headlines fade in a day, NVIDIA was the one that didn't just work, it soared. But here's the thing, even after that massive run-up, I don't think the story's over. In fact, I think NVIDIA is one of the biggest bargains in the market today. Let's start with the facts. Yes, March 2025 was brutal. The stock dropped over 14%, its worst month since the last major crypto collapse in 2022. The bears came out fast. They pointed to slowing data center buildouts, doubts about the AI narrative, tighter export controls, and political uncertainty. And yes, CoreWeave's underwhelming IPO didn't help. Investors spooked. Algorithms triggered. Down it went. But when you zoom out, this is the king of AI chips. NVIDIA is still the foundation for artificial intelligence infrastructure globally. Every hyperscaler, every enterprise, every serious player in AI is building on NVIDIA's stack. And their lead? It's not narrowing, it's widening. Look at the fundamentals. Gross margins remain sky high. Demand hasn't collapsed, it's just hitting a temporary bottleneck. Revenue is still massive, and new product cycles are on the horizon. The US government may be tightening restrictions, but that's because these chips are now seen as strategic assets, they are that important. And while others are flailing to enter the AI race, NVIDIA has already locked in its ecosystem, hardware, software, developer tools. CUDA, TensorRT, AI workbenches. This isn't just a chip company anymore. It's the arms dealer of the digital future. The recent weakness? It's noise. A shakeout. A moment where the stock takes a breath after a meteoric climb. And for long-term investors, that's opportunity. That's when bargains are made. Bank of America still has a $200 price target on this thing. And while I don't obsess over price targets, I get why they're bullish. AI isn't hype. It's here. And NVIDIA is the shovel seller in the gold rush. Look, I'm not here to hype anything. I've done well with NVIDIA, but I also recognize when a great company is being mispriced by fear. This isn't a speculative gamble. This is the most important semiconductor company on Earth, trading at a discount because a few headlines scared some hands weak enough to let go. If I was building a long-term portfolio today, there's zero question NVIDIA would be in it. Maybe not a 10x from here. But solid, foundational growth? With world-dominating potential? That's exactly what this is. This isn't financial advice. Just one guy's view, from someone who saw the upside before, and still sees plenty left in the tank.